the first question is, what goods do consumers consume in this model? Well, in this chapter number 4, we saw a model called representative consumers. And in this model is mentioned also two types of goods. The first one is consumption, that represents all the physical goods that we can purchase. And the second one is leisure, that represents all our free time or the activities we do after work, the activities we do when we're not working. And the second question, how are consumers' preferences over goods represented? Well, in the chapter is also mentioned a method maybe called utility function. Well, this utility function is used to rank or to compare the decisions that a consumer can make and how. Well, it uses consumption bundle or consumption bundles, and these are for example, a certain quantity of consumption and a certain quantity of leisure. But that's my first consumption bundle, but I need more to do the comparison or the rank. And I have both consumption bundles with different quantity of consumption and leisure and other quantity of consumption and leisure. And the third question is, what 3 properties do the preferences of the representative consumer have? Well, there are 3 properties for the representative consumer. And the first one is that more is always preferred to less. And what does it mean? Well, the representative consumer will always choose the consumption bundle that has more consumption or more leisure or both. And we can see this example as with ourselves as the normal consumers. We always want more goods, we always want more clothes or more shoes, or we want for leisure more vacation, more free time. And we can say that we always want more that we actually have. The second property is that the consumer likes diversity in his or her consumption bundle. Well, we can make an example. For example, I want a luxury car or an expensive car, and I make my first consumption bundle. My first consumption bundle is that I have this new car, but I have no leisure because I have no free time. I'm working all the time to get the money for buy this luxury car. Or I can make other consumption bundle where I have a lot of free time, my leisure is a lot, but I don't have my car because I'm not working, I'm not making money, so I don't have my car. Well, as a consumer, I don't like any of these options. I can make a third option that, well, I can mix or make a combination. For example, I want to work 5 days of the week and I can take two days for relax on weekdays. That's the second property. We don't choose extremes. We can make a combination to make a balance. And the third property is that consumption and leisure are normal goods. We in the chapter is mentioned that the definitions of normal and inferior goods, but in this model the consumption and leisures are normal goods because when our income increase or consume of these goods also increase. For example, we have a promotion in our work, and for that reason I want to buy more things and more And also I want to relax more and take vacations. There are some examples that why this consumption and leisure are normal goods.